Thank you, Karthik. I hope my audio is clear to everyone.
Yes, we can
Yes.
hear you clearly.
Okay, so let me share my screen. I hope you can see my screen also, right?
Yes.
Okay, so at first, thank you very much for inviting me for this event. And we also had, our Sri Kumar Rao, our general manager, as well as Rajani Skinny, our vice president from engineering service, who attended initially this event. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank, our Huawei management giving us this opportunity. We are the trusted ODC partner for many years. I'm sure without your help, it was not possible, right? And definitely for the ODC and the business line leader to whom we work every day, thank you very much for all your support to become our partnership more stronger. So let's come back to the topic. I have named today's topic as a gateway to mobile application development. It's not that there was no gateway before, that we are trying to invent something very new today. Before we start about what I'm going to talk and how it is relevant, how this open source community is relevant, let me also thank all my previous speaker, as well as nice demo, how probably by this time you understand the necessity and importance of this community, right? And we are definitely in a completely critical time of probably the mankind, right? We are going through a lockdown, periodical lockdown, wave, next wave. Think about this all pandemic without your mobile phone. What would have happened? Definitely you are not able to attend to the school, you are not able to attend to office, neither I'm sure some of you definitely joined today's session with the mobile phone, right? So that also probably you would not be able to do it. So along with all the credit to frontline worker and medical representative of medical professionals, I think all credit, to some extent credit goes to all mobile app developer also to support of this critical time. uh, I don't think I know need to spend any time about talk about how mobile is important to our day-to-day life, be it as a retail, automotive, health, agriculture. You pick any domain, any industry, right? Without mobile it is nothing. We might talk about IoT, we might talk about cloud. I mean, what will do with the sensor if you don't have mobile to run it? What will do with the data storing in the cloud if you don't have anybody to use it? So you cannot ignore the importance of mobile. So as a all mobile developer, we should be proud of ourselves. So let's move to the next slide. I know I am sitting between your tea break and the session. I'll try to close as fast as possible. So this is a digital flow or digital journey. What we as a technical architect, right? We always visualize. It's a mobile phone which might or might not talk to any sensor or anything in the world. It will talk to any social network. Then finally it is going to talk to any gateway, payment, and all other things. That's a typical journey of any digital transformation is happening today. And you can make out the importance of mobile. If you take out this mobile part, probably it doesn't have any relevance in this end-to-end architecture, right? My previous speaker already commented about how this mobile business is growing, how this open source is growing. I do not want to repeat these things again. Just one point I would like to make. Probably one of the fastest technology is the mobile app development. I mean, it might look like a very small mobile phone which you can carry in your pocket, but it is the business which giving you money. So having said all this good English, is it really simple? I mean, we can say it's a mobile app, right? What is this? I can do it. Anybody can do it. Is it really simple? So if you look back or think as a developer, right, it may not be that simple how it looks like. There are a lot of questions, a lot of confusion. There are too many apps, too many platform. How do we make sure user is able to user happy with my UX? My all data are there. Is it really safe? as far as there are a lot of upcoming technology, AI, AR, VR, what to do with this? And typically we are many times confused, right? So if we get all the solution in a one place, how it will be, right? And there is one good nice quote I have put. Mobile is becoming not only the new digital hub but also a bridge to physical world. That's why mobile will affect more than just your digital operation. It will be your actually day-to-day life going future, in the future life. So let's put little more technical to it, right? I'm sure people who are developing mobile application, they will try to connect it more better. uh, pick any platform, be it Apple, Google, or Huawei, or any other cross platform, right? If you put everything together, there will be some connector, there are going to be some peripheral connectivity or some SDK like social networking. We are talking about payment or anything else, right? And finally there will be some common services. My friend was showing about the authentication little before. It's not limited to authentication. It can this list can go on and go on. Correct. So if we put everything together, on the top of that, you just need to concentrate only if somebody thinks, somebody give the enter layer to you, right? Then you only need to create the your use case to make it happen. Okay. So just, you know think about it. Somebody has blocked. Our impulse today can give you the beautiful library with everything is masked over here. Then your life has become too easy, right? So, I just, when this particular event thought process we are discussing, one thing came just in my mind when we were in the college days, right? We had great singer Bhupen Hajarika who was performing on the stage. Suddenly, our music system is off, switched off completely. And obviously, it's a college fest. You understand, half of the people not able to stand properly. So, what kind of problem could have happened? So he shot all of us with a single word. That was the person who is the mechanics. He just know how to switch in or switch off. You are the engineer who built this music system. So you should be ashamed that you built some system which layman cannot use, right? So this is a simple, intention for all of us from Huawei and all of the community to give something for the next generation, so that the journey of mobile app will be more smooth, and it will be, very it will be smooth and time bound. So let's see who all are the most important thing, right? Obviously it will be important for app developer. It's the end user will get benefit. It's the enterprise who is spending money. They will also gain. And obviously mobile device OEM, right? And why we should be part of it? Because it's a time to market. It will be proven code which will be tested by millions of your friends. Obviously it's a cost, and at the end the code will be very easy to manage for you. And how you can do? Definitely you can create on your own paradigm. You can join open source like this, or you can go for any commercial option where they will give all the component, right? I was trying to be very precise and time bound as much as possible. I'll be happy to take any questions if you have.